Hi, I'm Suzi McAlpine, author of New Zealand's most popular leadership blog, The Leader's Digest. The growth of artificial intelligence and machine learning, like most transformational technologies, is both exciting and a little scary from a leadership perspective. In one recent Fortune 500 study, over 80% of chief executives researched cited artificial intelligence or machine learning as either extremely important or very important to their company's future success. So as a leader, you're going to want to get your head around both the opportunities and the implications of AI, and you might want to do that pretty quick smart. But don't worry, I've got you covered, because today I'm interviewing one of New Zealand's foremost experts in AI, Josh Comrie. Josh is co-founder and chief executive of Ambit, a New Zealand-owned technology company, artificial intelligence company that specialises in chatbot development. What do you see the biggest areas of opportunity for AI in organisations and industries, particularly in the short term? So we've talked a bit about how, broader speaking, where are the biggest opportunities for organisations?
Yeah, so you'll probably naturally expect me, Suzi, to say that it's within the kind of conversational experience space. So chatbots is the terminology that's attached to it. I'm loath to use that term personally because there's a lot of bad experiences being delivered within the chatbot arena. We refer to our technology as creating smart bots that deliver great user experiences. So that's obviously one, but that's part of a category. That category is delivering a better, more seamless user experience. So examples of that are obviously a strong and very capable chatbot, so it feels for the human like they're talking to another human being as opposed to a machine. Things like humanless, touchless checkouts that are available. So we don't see any of those in New Zealand right now, but Amazon has a few demo stores where you load things into a basket and then leave the store, and you're simply charged for those things based upon the AI knowing who you are and then the things that you've loaded into your basket through simple scanning of your movements around the store.
So cool.
So that's pretty cool as well. So on a device level, because everyone's interested in how this can play into their real life, Pinterest, which I think you're a user of, is a really cool additive to it, where you can go into a store or someone's home, take a photo if you see a lamp, for example, that you like, and then if you have a photo of your home on your phone, you can load that photo into your home, so see the lamp in situ in your home.
Cool.
But wait, I'm not finished yet, because you can also see the retailers and the prices that are available for that lamp. Not fully enabled in New Zealand yet, but the technology is working and it's available in markets with kind of bigger, store presences and bigger population bases to support it. But it's kind of a pretty rich user experience, right? So the second one is autonomous machines or robots. And so robotics has been around in a production line kind of context for quite some time, but we're unlikely to have a robot cleaning our home at any time soon. But in a commercial context, and I'll come back to this a little bit later on, there's an opportunity for robots, autonomized machines to take on more responsibilities and tasks. That eventuality has come about because of the rise of the supercomputing stack that we can rent from Azure, Microsoft or AWS, the two kind of largest commercial offerings. So anyone can dial into supercomputing power for a fraction of the cost of what it would have been 5 years ago. The second is that the plumbing or the internet that exists now provides high-speed broadband, so it can support access to that supercomputing machine, and then the robot can provide its function on factory or on office floor. The last is scientific breakthrough, so that'll be the last kind of early adoption of AI as we see it, and so that's because there's a lot of scientific thinking which either requires too many people or, let's face it, it's frankly too hard a problem for humans to resolve. And so utilising both the supercomputing stack and a very effective artificial intelligence instance, then it will resolve some kind of sticky problems for humanity and also for animals as well. That's another area of focus.
Great.